How many of you are stuck in this cycle of strict dieting, then losing control, binge eating, and again gaining all the weight back? Right? Again, after few days, you feel all that guilt that why did I gain so much? I had lost weight nicely and all, and I couldn't control myself. And now again, you get back on the strict diet, and the cycle continues. Right? You've been doing this up and down, yo-yo dieting. That's why you're not getting any permanent results. Welcome to the series You Will Never Be Able to Lose Weight Until, where I tell you all the mandatory things that you need to do if you want permanent and effortless weight loss transformation. And today's topic is until you get rid of cravings naturally. Yes, you should not need any motivation to control your cravings. If you are able to get rid of cravings naturally, there is no point of motivation, right? There is no need for the motivation. You don't have to control yourself. You will not get those cravings. I know it seems impossible, but it is highly possible, and I'm going to tell you how in this video. Let's get started. I can tell you from my own experience. See, I've been there. I've been there where I could not control eating chocolates or whatever, and I used to follow strict diet. I used to get, one day I used to wake up highly motivated that I want to lose weight, I want to look good, I want to wear certain clothes, and I would go on a strict diet, and by the end of 1 month my motivation would die down. I would feel frustrated because I was not eating the tasty foods or the foods that I like. I was controlling my cravings, and by the end of the month I would lose all my motivation. I would start binge eating and I would gain all the weight back. But now the case is different. Now I'm not losing and gaining weight. I'm not doing this yo-yo dieting because my cravings are automatically gone. It's not like I don't crave anything at all. Of course, occasionally I do crave sugary chocolates, I do crave junk food, worst kind of junk food that really is not just makes you fat but very unhealthy for you. I do crave that and I do eat it as well, but it's not uncontrollable. See, if you want a permanent transformation, you need to go from that binge eating cycle, strict dieting, controlling, and then binge eating, gaining weight, to the person who enjoys and finds healthy food very tasty, who eats healthy food most of the times because they enjoy it, and they occasionally crave junk food or food that makes them fat, and they do enjoy that as well. You need to go from now where you are right now to this personality who occasionally enjoys junk food, occasionally craves junk food, right? And I'm going to tell you how. Let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to balance the nutrition. See, dieting is not just controlling calories, not at all. That is the myth. Dieting is eating balanced food, eating nutrient dense food most of the times, so that it gets rid of the cravings naturally. See, many people don't know this, but 70 to 80% of your cravings are not your mindset cravings, not your mind's cravings. Not big, you don't get them because you don't have any self control. You get those cravings because your body is asking for nutrition. See, whenever you had some food, you had lunch, all right, and your body digested that lunch, but you're again craving something in the evening, maybe sweet or maybe namkeen, right? You crave something. So that is your body's cravings asking you to give nutrition, because the meal you ate in lunch was not nutritious enough. It did not give you nutrition. And that's why over the time, over the period of few months, when if you keep on eating imbalanced food, your body's nutrition stores keep depleting. That's why your cravings keep on increasing. That's why what you need to do is you need to balance the nutrition. You need to eat nutrient dense food in every meal, and slowly after few days, once those nutrition stores are filled in your body, once your body starts getting all kinds of nutrition, then your cravings will disappear. 70 to 80% of your cravings, trust me, it worked with every single one of my clients, including myself. And I struggled with cravings all my life, literally all my life. So try it out. And if you want to know how to balance the nutrition in your food, what is nutrient dense food, then you can watch a different video. I'll put the link in the description. Also, if you want to connect with me, or if you want to work with me personally to know how to balance nutrition, then you can connect with me on a free consultation call. I'll put the link in the description for that as well. Second thing you need to do is you need to let go of that guilt. See, we have just covered 70 to 80% of the cravings. What about remaining 20 to 30% of the cravings? Those are mindset cravings, right? You have a habit of eating uncontrollably. Maybe your emotions are dependent on that food, whatever it is, right? You want to get rid of that part as well. You want to get rid of those cravings as well, right? Mindset cravings, mental cravings, right? What you need to do is you need to let go of the guilt associated with the food. You need to let go of the guilt for eating junk food, for eating sugar, for eating unhealthy food, for the food that makes you fat. Even if you are on a weight loss journey, you need to forgive yourself for binge eating or eating junk food, because by making yourself feel guilty, you are giving those cravings power over you. That's why you're not able to get rid of them. You have a habit of making yourself, you have formed a habit of eating junk food, then feeling very much guilt about it, then again motivating yourself to follow strict diet, and that strict diet causes stress, again it makes you crave junk food, and you eat again, that guilt comes, so you're stuck in this vicious cycle, right? You need to break that cycle by breaking the guilt, by getting rid of the guilt. So whenever you binge it and habitually start feeling guilty about it, whenever you eat junk foods, chocolate or whatever, right, you need to tell yourself it is what it is. I felt like eating it and I have eaten it, right? You can take my name, you can blame me because I have told you to use this technique, right? You can say this, okay, Sai has told me, Sai has explained in her videos, she has said that this thing works and I should not be feeling guilty. I felt like eating it, even though I ate a lot, even though I ate for 15 days straight, that is also fine. I am not going to let myself feel guilty for that. You tell yourself it is what it is 1,000 times if you have to. Trust me, this only this thing is going to break you from that cycle, that vicious cycle of strict dieting and binge eating. Next, what you need to do is hydrate yourself. Most of the times, especially after meals, you crave something sweet, right? That is just your body asking for water. It needs water. That's it. Yes, it's as simple as that. I know if you have habit of eating it, you can't help it, but just try drinking water first. Try hydrate, not just drinking water at the time, but you need to hydrate your body regularly. You need to drink a lot of water, and you need to hydrate yourself with electrolytes. Only water is not going to do the job. You need to get electrolytes. How to get that? Natural source, the best source out there is coconut water. Drink tender coconut every alternate day or 3 days a week, 4 days a week, depending on the weather, right? Depending on how dehydrated you are, and drink lots of water throughout the day or as your body demands. Don't ignore those thirst signals. Once you start hydrating, your cravings will literally disappear, along with doing other things, of course. And the last thing that you need to do to get rid of cravings naturally is you need to change your self image and you need to change your habits. So you need to, when I say self image, I'll tell you an example that I had a self image as in my own image. I thought of myself that I cannot live without chocolates. I have to eat chocolates every day or at least alternate days, otherwise I will get a lot of cravings. Yes, I had that belief about myself that I cannot control eating chocolates, and if I do eat it, I eat a lot of it in one go. That was my self image, that was my belief about myself, and I got rid of that belief. I changed that belief. There is a process how to do that. You need to start saying the opposite thing, that I no longer get uncontrollable cravings, I no longer get uncontrollable cravings for chocolate. That's what I started to say. And of course there is a process how to change self image. I have created another video for that as well. I'll put the link in the description. But if you follow that process and if you change, unless you change that self image, you're not going to be able to get rid of the cravings, because that's who you are. Whatever that is registered in your subconscious will get reflected in your actions, because that's who you are, no matter what you say on surface level. That's why you have to work on your self image by going in deep. Check out that video, don't miss that video. It will help you a lot to change your personality, to change who you are, so your journey gets easier. and you need to start forming healthy eating habits. That's it. So if you have a habit of eating sugary stuff every single day, right, every single day after lunch, after dinner, you need to change that, you need to swap that. Don't completely abruptly stop it. Stop gradually. How do you form habits? You cannot change your habits in one night, right? You need to gradually shift it. So for example, if you have a habit of eating sweet chocolate every single day after meal, then you can try swapping chocolate with something healthy like dates, or dates and dark chocolate. Then gradually, once you start swapping the food items, and once you start reducing the quantity of whatever the junk food that you were eating after meal, whatever sugar you were eating after meal, you will form different habits. Of course, it has to be done gradually. So ultimately, if you want to lose weight permanently, sustainably, effortlessly, you need to get rid of the cravings naturally. You need to go from having uncontrollable cravings, following strict diet, and then binge eating and gaining weight back, to the person who loves healthy food, who enjoys healthy food, who has found tasty recipes of healthy food and occasionally eats junk food and not feel guilty about it. Only then you will get sustainable results. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this with someone who wants to know how to get rid of cravings.